Are your team struggling to keep up with AI tools at work? According to McKinsey & Company, up to 50% of today's work activities could already be automated using existing technologies. The real question is your team prepared for what's next? And it's not just about automation. The World Economic Forum reports that nearly 44% of workers' core skills are expected to change within the next few years. Businesses that invest in upskilling today will lead tomorrow. That's where Interactive Care steps in. With modern training infrastructure, hands-on practical sessions, and real business scenario-based learning, we transform knowledge into performance. From AI and machine learning for business, data analytics and Power BI, and cybersecurity awareness, to leadership and decision-making, project management, and strategic thinking. Our programs are built for measurable impact, delivered by industrial experts, designed for cost-effective talent development, customized to your organizational goals. Over 130 plus partner companies trust Interactive Cares to empower their workforce, because investing in people is the smartest business strategy. Whether it's technical skills, leadership development, sales excellence, or HR transformation, we provide cost-effective talent development tailored to your business needs. Partner with Interactive Cares. Build leader, empower team, drive sustainable growth. Interactive Cares, corporate training solutions. Let's shape the future together.